Hello everyone. In this video we'll learn about how you can make the pay of your city drivers hourly. To show this, I have created two profiles in master entry and driver section. That's city driver 1 and city driver 2. City driver 1 is saved as if it's on corporation and we have to pay HST to this driver. The hourly rate is set at $23. City driver 2 is on payroll and will deduct EI, CPP, provincial and federal tax from his pay. The hourly rate for this driver is also $23. So I'll exit this screen. To make the pay, first of all we have to select the time period. So suppose I'm making the pay from 1st of July to 15th of July. Select the time period and then go to city local work entries. And then we'll select our driver. I'm selecting this driver first, the city driver 1. And then you have to select the dates here. So if you want to mention the hours of each and every day, then you have to select the dates over here first of all. So we'll select 1st of July, 2nd of July, 3rd of July and so on. So all the days that your driver actually worked, you can select the dates over here. And then you have to enter the hours. Suppose for 1st of July, your driver worked 8 hours. And then for 2nd of July, he worked 5 hours. And then for 3rd of July, he worked 7.5 hours. So you can enter the hours like that. But if you want to enter the combined hours for the whole time period, you can do that as well. So I'll delete the last two options. Suppose your driver worked 85 hours in this time period. We can just enter 85 over here and then select any date from 1st to 15th in this time period. If you want to mention something in the notes, you can mention that as well. It will be printed on the statement. And then after entering the hours, we have to select the driver and click on post in GL option. Now the pay is posted. To print the statement, just select the entry and click on print option. So in this statement, you can see the total number of hours, hourly rate, total pay, HST and the pay after HST. And now this entry will be in day-to-day entry payment to vendor. So whenever you have to pay to your driver, you can go day-to-day entry payment to vendor, search by his corporation name and then select the bank, enter the check number, select the date and then check this pay invoice option and print the check from here. This is how you can pay to your city driver who's on corporation and you pay them hourly. Now if your driver is on payroll, so for that we'll select the time period again, 1st to 15th, then go to city local work entries, select your driver, so that's city driver 2 and then select any date of that time period and then enter the total number of hours that the driver worked in this time period. And then we'll select this entry and click on post in GL. So until this, it was the same if the driver is on payroll or not. Now the pay is posted and we have to compute the taxes on that pay. And how we can do that is, we have to go to day-to-day entry, employees salary tax computation. Over here we'll select the from date, that's 1st of July and click on go. To date system will select by itself. So system selects this date based on what you have selected in your company setup. For example, if you make the pay monthly for your employees or drivers who are on payroll, you will select the option 12. If you pay them semi-monthly, then select 24. If you pay them bi-weekly, then select 26. If you make the pay weekly, then select 52. Now in this case, we are making the pay semi-monthly, 2 times in a month, 1st to 15 and then 16 to end of month. So I'll select option 24 here and according to that system will select the to date over here. So our pay date is 1st to 15th of July and now I'll unselect all the employee or drivers and select the one for which I want to compute the taxes. As soon as I select this driver, the gross pay that I posted in city work, it will automatically show up over here. And then we have to click on this option, compute CRA tax and post. Now the taxes are computed, click OK and exit the screen. Now if you want to get the statement, we have to go to city local work entries again. Make sure you select the same time period and then select our driver, that's city driver 2. Select the entry and click on this print option. So it will show you the total pay, and then vacation pay is added, CPP, EI, federal and provincial taxes are deducted, and this is the total amount to pay to the driver. Now this entry will also be in payment to vendor. So whenever you have to pay to your driver, you can go to day-to-day entry payment to vendor, select your driver, city driver 2, select bank, enter the check number, select date, and then check pay invoice option, and then print the statement. Print the check. So this is the gross pay, EICP, provincial, federal are deducted, and this is the net pay to be paid to your driver. You can print this from here. So this is how you can make the pay of your city drivers whom you pay hourly, and if your driver is on corporation or on payroll. Everything is covered in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding this, you can always call our office line 905 624 5959 extension 1.